thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware County, northern Licking County, until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunbury, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Hanover, Martin, Galena, Hartford, St. Louisville, Toboso, Fredonia, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661, Olive Green, Purity, Center Village and Fallsburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 127 and 128. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware.